Okay, so lane 1 is empty. So
that's Michelle Harriet,
formerly of Homewood Tech and now at GC Foster.
Here's Ramona Burchell of Sprint Tech.
Yeah, Herbert Morrison, University of Alabama, now back home with GC Foster and Sprint Tech.
This is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce of Elite Performance.
10:67, her best time this year. She has gone sub 10:704 times. Olympic gold in 2008, Olympic gold in 2012.
Medals all around.
Brianna Williams,
Olympic champion at 4x1 last year. World junior champion in 100, 200 back in 2018. 6th at the World Championship Indoor this year.
Dominique Clark running unattached.
Dominique Clark stepping up to deliver a special performance in a very hot race.
Janal Smith in 7 MVP International.
Yeah, great to see her back. 2019 World Championship medalist in the 4x1. Had a setback last year, but good to see her back up and running.
Jodine Williams of Racers in 8.
Has been running on the local circuit at the Velocity Fest meets and the Jubilee Series. Let's see if she can get through to the semifinals.
So Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in 4, the world leader, 10.67 seconds. And she ran it twice for good measure. Most recently, just this past weekend in Paris. So she's made the trip, the long flight home. She's back in the 100 meters here and already has a bye to the World Championships.
In the 100 meters.
Set.
They're cleanly away. Good start for Brianna Williams. Fraser-Pryce also has a good start. So too Ramona Burchell. It's Fraser-Pryce, Williams, and Burchell. Fraser-Pryce steps away and looks superb. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 10.69. That's the flash time. That is the flash time for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Let's see the wind. It's legal for Fraser-Pryce. 10.70 for Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Okay, what's very special is that we're going to have some big PBs, I believe, possibly behind. No, but Williams at 10.98. Oh, so Brianna Williams just 1/100th of her personal best. But Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
And she didn't get a good start, gentlemen. She was behind Ramona Burchell at 30 meters, but no, gets up into a running at 50 and accelerates again away from Brianna Williams and goes through to win in 10.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce once again delivered a commanding performance in the 100m, asserting her status as a sprinting icon. Lining up against notable athletes like Tia Clayton, Janal Smith, Jodine Williams, and Ramona Burchell, it was clear from the outset that all eyes were fixed on the seasoned Jamaican legend. Competing from lane 4, Fraser-Pryce, who leads the global rankings this year with a blistering 10.67 seconds, showcased her signature poise and explosive speed. Though her reaction time was marginally slower than some of her rivals, she rapidly gained momentum and surged past the pack by the halfway point. Blazing through the final meters, she stopped the clock at 10.70 seconds, once again solidifying her place among the fastest sprinters in history. Right on her heels was Brianna Williams, whose lightning start gave her a brief edge. She clocked 10.98 seconds, just a whisker shy of her personal record of 10.97. Ramona Burchell, who initially pushed ahead, couldn't sustain her early pace and was overtaken as Fraser-Pryce powered through the closing stages. More than a simple win, this race symbolized Fraser-Pryce's extraordinary journey. Nicknamed the Mommy Rocket, she has redefined what's possible for mothers in elite sport. After stepping away to give birth, she returned stronger than ever, continuing to dominate one of the most competitive disciplines in athletics. Her ability to balance motherhood and elite performance resonates far beyond the track. What set her apart in this race wasn't just speed, but a masterclass in execution. Fraser-Pryce's stride mechanics are honed to perfection: minimal ground contact, maximal propulsion. Her near-effortless sprinting is a product of meticulous refinement and years of unwavering discipline, embodying biomechanical efficiency where only about 40% of each stride touches the track. This victory adds another gem to her treasure trove of accolades: multiple Olympic titles, numerous World Championship golds, and countless memorable performances. Returning to form post-maternity, She proves time and again that excellence has no expiration date. The competition also reflected the increasing depth in women's sprinting. Rising stars like Brianna Williams are knocking on the door, adding excitement and pushing the veterans to elevate their game. Still, Fraser-Pryce's blend of experience, physical conditioning, and technical brilliance gives her an undeniable edge. While this may not be her career best performance in terms of time, its significance lies in what it represents: resilience, consistency, and competitive excellence. It was a moment that transcended pure athletics, highlighting mental strength and determination just as much as speed. Analysts and fans alike emphasized how crucial pre-race routines and preparation are, especially for seasoned athletes. In a discipline where milliseconds count, proper warm-ups and conditioning can mean the difference between victory and injury. Fraser-Pryce's journey continues to resonate with fans and aspiring athletes worldwide. Her life story, rooted in persistence, self-belief, and the refusal to be defined by limitations, has become a blueprint for success both on and off the track. As major championships approach, Fraser-Pryce remains not just a medal favorite, but a figure of inspiration and legacy. Her career, already historic, still appears to be gaining new chapters, each race a testament to enduring greatness. Her long-lasting reign at the top is no accident. It stems from a rare mix of natural talent, methodical preparation, and relentless drive. Despite setbacks, injuries, childbirth, aging, she has returned time and again, showing no signs of slowing down. Off the track, she's become a symbol of empowerment for female athletes, particularly those striving to succeed in both their personal and professional lives. Her voice carries weight beyond sprinting lanes, promoting balance, equality, and ambition. Fraser-Pryce's impact reaches far beyond individual achievement. Her success contributes to Jamaica's storied sprinting heritage, reinforcing the island's unmatched reputation in the sport. Each win adds to the nation's collective pride and international prominence. Looking ahead, there's no doubt that more milestones await. As she eyes upcoming competitions, the world anticipates each performance with reverence. For the Mommy Rocket, the mission continues. And her story, a tale of grit, excellence, and timeless ambition, will inspire generations for years to come. Fraser-Pryce's influence extends beyond records and medals. She embodies the spirit of perseverance. Her presence in every race is a reminder that greatness is not defined by age or circumstance, but by passion and persistence. As she prepares for the next stage of her journey, fans worldwide remain captivated by her enduring brilliance.